BOSUN means captain. BOSUN Lighting focus on solar streetlight and smart pole products. Innovation is our core culture. Mr. Dave, the founder of BOSUN Lighting, is an experienced technical engineer and a national lighting designer. For many years of intensive research in the lighting industry, he has accumulated rich experience and can provide you with the most professional lighting solutions. BOSUN Lighting has established a laboratory with fully testing equipment, such as IES photometric distribution testing system, life testing system of LED, EMC testing system, integrating sphere, lightning surge generator, LED power driver tester, drop and vibration test stand. These testing equipment can not only ensure the quality of products, but also provide the most accurate technical parameter for your engineering projects. BOSUN Lighting products have obtained ISO 9001, CE, ROS, CB, BIS, LM79, IP66, and other series certifications. Over the years, BOSUN Lighting has provided OEM and ODM for customers from home and abroad, and also provided customized engineering needs for customers from many countries and won good reviews. BOSUN Lighting has exported to more than 100 countries and regions in the world with satisfied quality and service. Innovation is our core culture. The common ideal of BOSUN people is to become the leader in the solar lighting industry.